If you're looking for an affordable and efficient roof rack that can hold a lot of gear, the Honda CRV is a good choice. These racks are light and easy to use, making it easy to transport your gear without having to worry about fatigue or damaging your car. In today's video, I'll talk about the 5 best roof racks for Honda CRV on the market available right now. I have added all the links in the description box below. Check them out and please consider to subscribe our channel. So without further ado, let's get started. BRIGHTLINES roof rack is solidly built and combines aluminum construction for a more secure fit, as well as a high load capacity. Additionally, the design is sleek and low profile. As for the build quality of this roof rack, it is all aluminium, making it lighter and more rigid than alloy steel. Lightweight construction means less weight is mounted on your vehicle. In addition, it makes it easier to install the rack as well. This aluminium roof rack is corrosion resistant, which is a major concern in areas that get a lot of rain. The corrosion resistance will be appreciated by drivers living near the sea. I'm ready for some salty sea air, so bring it on. This rack is built to take a beating, so don't be fooled by its lightweight. The crossbar is 3/4 inches thick. With hook-on style mounting, it bolts on very securely and doesn't move around when you're driving. The SNIXWOO roof rail rack and crossbar is a great accessory for your Honda CRV that provides a stable platform for carrying the gear you need on the top of your vehicle. The integrated mounting hardware provides quick and easy installation, and the rack and bar system provides a sturdy platform for carrying the gear you need. All models of the CRV from 2017 to 2022 can be fitted with this easy-to-install rack. You can use it to carry extra cargo on your next camping trip or road trip. It's perfect for transporting bikes, canoes, kayaks, or whatever else you need to take along. Easy to install comes with all the necessary mounting hardware. All of the necessary mounting hardware is included with the rack, which is made of high-quality materials. We also provide video and graphic instructions for easy installation. If you order now, you will be able to enjoy peace of mind knowing that your belongings will be safe and secure while traveling. The Mophorn roof rack is exactly what you need for your Honda CRV. It comes with 2 crossbars at 2 side rails, so it is easily attached to the factory-installed roof rails on your car. It is made out of high-quality aluminum, so you can be sure that it will last a long time. Designed for hauling gear or supplies, this aluminum alloy rack is tough and rust-resistant. Additionally, the ABS foundation enhances stability and ensures excellent performance. This rack fits the Honda CRV perfectly and requires no drilling or scratching during installation. Plus, it's incredibly versatile, so you will be able to transport luggage, bikes, car tents, whatever you need with ease. Therefore, if you are looking for a simple way to increase your vehicle's cargo capacity by adding a roof rail, then you shouldn't miss out on Mophorn's 4 PCS aluminium roof rack rail. A roof rack crossbar from MOSTPLUS provides you with a safe and secure way of transporting your luggage, ladder, or other cargo on your roof rack with ease. With a high-strength marine-grade aluminum alloy crossbar that is capable of supporting up to 150 pounds, it is available at a great price. You can easily add a robust and reliable crossbar system with this version, without drilling or modifying anything. On the go, your gear is safe and secure thanks to the clamping design. The product is easy to install and does not require drilling or cutting. In addition, all the necessary hardware is included for a quick and easy installation process. Designed to work with Honda CRV 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016 models with existing roof side rails, this easy-to-install system is easy to install. In addition, it's made of durable and weather-resistant materials, so you can be sure your belongings will be safe and sound. The crossbars of Autoxrun roof racks are made of rust-resistant black powder-coated aluminum for a lightweight, durable finish, having a 100 pounds load capacity. They can withstand harsh weather conditions. You will be able to count on our aerodynamic design and sturdy construction for years of reliable service. We have also designed our end caps to resist wind, so driving with your new roof rack will be even more enjoyable. As they are designed and built to OEM specifications, they will fit perfectly and they are easy to install. It is important to note that the Autoxrun roof rack crossbars replacement for Honda CRV is the perfect way to enhance your traveling experience while also making your vehicle look great. It is very easy to install these crossbars on your car's roof, and they provide you with extra storage space for all of the gear that you need. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.